How to add a payment method on Domino's pizzas. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser and go to Domino's website. First of all, add food to your cart, then click on checkout. Now tap on finish order. Now enter your name, enter your phone number. Now enter your email address. Now click on continue. Now select your payment method. Click on credit card. Now fill up the details and tap on place order. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or search topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.